Welcome back everyone, Jim here. Well, I'm standing in the bathroom for our place, and you can see I got it all framed in nice. There'll be a vanity probably right about here, toilet over here on this side, and then back here I had planned for the tub surround, and then this was going to be a closet, and of course all the piping for the tub would be in this wall right here. I'm hoping you can see that. But I've had this up for a week or two now, and it just dawned on me. We were down in the old house, and I'm sure you've seen that in previous videos, looking at parts and pieces that we can use in this build. And the tub surround down there, it's a one-piece tub surround. When the fella was remodeling that place 20-something years ago, and then I don't know why they walked away from it, stopped it, and it remained empty for over 20 years. The tub surround looks brand new. Although it's had some vermin, you know, make a home in it, and it's not the cleanest, prettiest thing. But it dawned on me at that point, I can't get it down the hallway here and in my bathroom. And it also occurred to me from watching videos some time ago, the tub surround and stuff, some items like that have to be put in before you actually close the walls up. So, one of my few screw-ups. And I'd like to be able to use that tub surround. Now, the only problem with that tub surround down there is the drain is on the left-hand side, contrary to what I was planning. I was planning on the drain being on the right-hand side. So as a result, I've got to deconstruct my closet, put it on the other side, swap positions with it, with the tub. And then in doing that, hopefully I've opened up enough room to get the surround in here before I close it all back in. So anyway, I'm going to take and show you the tub, and then my next video will be after we've decided on whether we're going to use that tub surround or not. Or maybe we'll sell that one and buy a new one for here. Before I do any deconstructing here, we're going to make that determination. Okay, so here's the new house. New house. It's the old house. It was here when I bought the property. And you could see some years ago he replaced these two windows and the one just around the corner. And he started to reshingle, and the rest of the house he never finished. Now I don't know the reason for it. I can only guess that maybe something happened in the family. I don't know. But you can see he did replace this bottom window, but he didn't get to the siding. And so they left it. And what happened was this big old tree right there, it's broke off right there, was guy wired back that way so that it wouldn't fall, because it was leaning, wouldn't fall in the driveway. So it didn't fall in the driveway, and the guy wires held it, and what happened was it fell over to the left. Fell over to my left. And crashed on the roof. And that's the condition it was when I bought the house, bought this property, 37 acres. They said the house had no value and it was property only. So I took them at that. But there's videos of the tree on the house when we first bought it. If you go way back in my archives online, you'll see it. So slowly, we've been grabbing things out of it. This is an old cast iron sink, and needs to be washed up. It'll be white again. That's just dirt that's on it. Porcupines lived in this house for years, and near as I can tell, it was empty for 20 years. Around 20 years. And this house was brought here from another house back in the day when they didn't let a house go bad. They just took it apart, moved it to different areas. And you can see it's all post and beam underneath. All the sideboards are 15-inch or better. And I'm sure the exterior boards are the same way. All the beams that are in here are all hand hewn. You can still see the axe marks. But like I say, porcupines lived in here for a while. But yeah, this would have been the parlor because it had the most decoration around it. But that tree landed on here. This corner of this house is gone because of that big tree. The roof leaked for I don't know how many years. The fireplace was taken out. The guy had taken out the fireplace. He had a few propane furnace. Looked like he was trying to do electric in here. And the bathroom, as you can see in through here, is where the tub is, the surround tub. And so you can see it's not the cleanest tub there ever was. I'm trying to get a vantage point where I can show you. Whoops. But it's a full surround, and it looks like he had just got it in when they abandoned this place, because this doesn't even look like it was used, because once you clean all the dirt off. So anyway, that's what we're going to be using, perhaps. We haven't decided if we're using this or selling it or what we're doing. I was just in here this morning just to loosen up all the fittings. All the hardware is connected in copper. So anyway, the next video maybe we'll have a decision on whether we're going to use it or not. So thanks for watching. Thumbs up, and I'll try to get the after effects of this tub project out before too long. Bye for now.